Okay, this problem tests if you know the applications of the fundamental theorem and how to establish when one function is the derivative of the other. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is I'm going to write out my three layers here. F of x is going to be equal to g prime. F prime is going to be equal to g double prime, which means that when I take my antiderivative of f of x, my integral of f of x, well, that's going to be an integral of g prime, which is just g. Okay, so right now if you look at the levels, g prime, g double prime, integral of f prime. Okay, so now that we're looking at here, it's asking for it's asking for us to take the antiderivative of f and plug in 3 for b and 1 for a. Well, g is the antiderivative of f, and we actually have g, so really what we're going to do here is just plug in 3 into this function, and then plug 1 into that function. So we're going to go ahead and start. We're going to have 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus 4. That's going to be 4 total. And over here, we're going to have 1 squared, which is 1, minus 3 times 1 plus 4, which is going to be 2. So we're going to have 4 minus 2. So our final answer is going to be C for this problem. Understanding this part right here in a multiple choice problem is really important. We've seen it a lot of times on an f prime graph, or they'll give you a graph of f is the derivative of g in a free response problem. We've seen that a lot. This is another representation of that. Okay, we're getting close to wrapping up section 1 of the multiple choice part of the practice tests, and we've got 8 more problems to go. So let's get started with problem 21. I'll see you back for that one.